If you want to change the language on the keyboard of your iPhone 17, 17 Pro or the 17 Pro Max, so here's how you can do that. First of all, just open Settings, then tap on General. In General, you will find the option of Keyboard. Just tap on it, then tap on Keyboards. Now to add a new language to your keyboard, just tap on Add New Keyboard. Now from this list, just select your language. For an example, I will select this language, then tap on Add New Keyboard. Now just select the layout of the keyboard of the selected language. For an example, I will select this layout, then tap on Done. Now after you've done that, you will add the selected language to your keyboard. Now to change the language of your keyboard, just go to your home screen, then open the keyboard of your iPhone. Now after you open the keyboard of your iPhone, a small globe icon will appear at the bottom left corner on the screen. Now if you tap on the globe icon, you will be able to change the language on your keyboard. Just like that. And if you tap on the globe icon one more time, you will change the language back to the original language. Just like that. Now, in some cases, due to a software glitch, the emoji icon will appear at the place of this globe icon. Now, to fix this issue, just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. And by doing that, you will fix the software glitch and you will be able to change the language of the keyboard. Just like that. And this is how you can change the keyboard language on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.